Hello there, thanks for stopping by. In this video, we will learn about two DAX functions, SUM and SUMX functions. First up is the SUM function. It is an aggregator function, and it can be used in situations that require you to summarize values of a single column. Let us see a practical example. We are creating a new measure that uses this SUM function. The SUM function expects a column name for its argument. As you can see, we have a sales table, and in that table, we have a column/field named quantity. We can pass this column to this function. As you can see, this adds all the numbers in that column. If needed and based on your needs, you can format this measure. So we have created a new measure named total quantity, and we have used the SUM function. If we drag this measure onto the report canvas, we can see the results in a card visual. It is a simple function and easy to use, right? Next, we will learn about the SUMX function. It is an iterator function. It enumerates all rows of a given table and evaluates a given expression for each row. As we see here, this function is aware of the rows in the table, so it considers each row at a time and applies the calculation. Let us see a practical example. As we already know that we have a sales table, and if you want to calculate the total sales from different columns, then you can use SUMX function. We will create a new measure. The SUMX function expects a table as first argument, so let us pass that to it, and as we are also intend to get the total sales, so for the second argument, let us try to use the two columns unit price and quantity and multiply them. As you can see, this is the expression that we are passing to the SUMX function. We will name this measure as total sales. This function iterated row by row of our sales table and evaluated our expression. After we drag this measure onto the report canvas, we can see the result in the card visual. So in a very short time, we have used two practical examples and learned about these two functions. Also, we have noticed the key differences between the SUM function and the SUMX function. Thanks for watching.